So welcome to this how-to video from Rapid Spray on how to pair your Buddy Reel remote. If your panel has this startup sequence, how to pair your Buddy Reel remote, you have to follow these steps. So power off on the panel, hold down the down arrow and the up arrow, turn the power on. Must let go of the buttons. Hold down the down and up arrow, turn the power on. You'll get the B66. Then grab your hand remote, removing one of the batteries. Place it so it's half in. Push and hold the rabbit and the turtle button in. Push the battery back into place. You'll have PA come up on the screen. Press the right angle button. It'll go back to 0 on the screen and your remote will flash green for a sequence. Once it turns off, your Buddy Reel remote will be paired into the hose reel.